My dear students, once again welcome back. I hope you all are fine and healthy. So students, today I am going to start new chapter, chapter number 6, squares and square roots. This is the very interesting chapter, students. You know that the previous classes area of the square is equal to side square. Then side is given. Then how to find the area? Side 1 centimeter is given. Then area is equal to 1 square is equal to 1 into 1. So if side is 2, then 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Side is 3, then 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. And if side is 4, then 4 square, area of the square is 4 square is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So students, observe this table. Observe this table. 1 square is equal to 1 into 1. You all studied in 7th standard law of exponent. 1 square is equal to 1 into 1. Otherwise, area of the square, if side is 1, then 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 square, it means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 squares, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 square, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 square, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 6 square, 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 8 square, 8 multiplied by 8, 64. 9 square, it means 9 multiplied by itself is equal to 81. 10 square, 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Then 11 square, it means 11 into 11 equal to 121. 12 square is equal to 12 into 12 is equal to 144, and so on, students. So students, what is the special about that number? Students, what is the special about that number? 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, and so on. So all such numbers can express as the product of the number with itself. For example, 2 into 2, 2 multiplied by itself, 2 is equal to 4. 3 multiplied by 3 means 3 multiplied by itself is equal to 9. 4 multiply itself is equal to 16. So such number like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on is known as square numbers. So students, by observing a table, conclude that the number which can be expressed as the product of the number with itself is called square numbers. are perfect squares, are perfect squares. For example, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, and so on. This is the perfect squares or square numbers, students. So, students, all such numbers can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. All such numbers can express as the product of the number with itself. In general, if the natural number m can be expressed as n square, n is also natural number, then m is called a square number. It means 9 is equal to 3 square. So we can say m is equal to n square. Such type of number is also called square number. So students, property of the squares, property of the square numbers. Students, observe the given table, students. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on. So observe that, students, all the square numbers, property of squares, property of square numbers, student. First, all the square number end with all the square number, all the square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, students. Observe the table. All numbers are square numbers, end with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. So all the square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So student, end with, it means digit in the unit place. So all square numbers digit in the unit place be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So if ending digit, students, second property, if ending digits, if ending digit, that is digit in the unit place, that is digit in the unit place, 2, 3, 7 and 8, then number is not a square number, then number is not a square number, For example, students, for example, 12, end 2, not a square number, 13, not a square number, because in unit place 3, 27, not a square number because unit place in 7, and also 88, unit place is 8. This is also not a square number because square number 1 to 100 is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. So 12 is not a square number because in between 9 and 16 no any number is square number. Similarly 13 is not a square number, 27 is also not a square number. Then 88 also not a square number. Next student, third one property. Third one, square number can have. Third one, square number can have only even number of zeros. Only even number of zeros. Students, square number can have only even number of zeros. For example, 10 square is equal to 100, even number of zeros. 100 square is equal to, so even number of zeros, students. 4 zeros, 2 zeros, even number of zeros. So students, square number can have only even number of zeros. So this is the three important properties, students. If square number is given, then compulsorily in unit place 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Otherwise not a square number. Next student, number between the square numbers. How to count the number between the square numbers. Number between the square numbers, student. Numbers between the square square number. So students, two non-square numbers between the two square numbers. Observe that, students. 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is equal to 4. It means between the square number 1 and 4, two non-square numbers. Between the square number 1 and 4, two non-square numbers. 2 and 3. This is the non-square numbers. Non-square numbers. Similarly, students, 3 square 9 and 2 square 4 and 3 square 9. It means between the 4 and 9. Between the 4 and 9, students, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 non-square numbers. Between 1 and 4, two non-square numbers. Between 4 and 9, 4 square numbers. In same way, between 9 and 16. Between 9 and 16. 6 non-square numbers, student. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 and 3, 6 non-square numbers. 6 non-square numbers. 4 non-square numbers. So students, it can be said that there are 2 and non-perfect square numbers between the square of number n and n plus 1. Suppose that square number. Students, we observe that between 1 and 4, between 1 square and 2 square, two non-square numbers. 2 non-square numbers. And in same way, students, 2 square and 3 square. Between 2 square and 3 square, it means in between 4 and 9. 4 and 9. Students, 4 square numbers. 4 non-square numbers. It means, student, this is the n and this is n plus 1. N is equal to 1, then this is n plus 1. N is equal to 2, then n plus 1 is equal to 3. It means in general, we say that there are 2n non-perfect square numbers, between the square of number, between the square of number n and n plus 1. Students, in general, we say that there are 2n non-perfect square number between the square of number n and n plus 1. It means in between n square and n plus 1 square, 2n non-square numbers. Suppose n is equal to 4 and n plus 1 is equal to 2 and n plus 1 is equal to 3. Then in between 2 square and 3 square, 2n numbers, 2 into 2, 4 numbers. So this is the general formula, student. In between 2 square and 1 square, 2 non-square numbers. It means, students, 1 का स्क्वायर और 2 के स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नॉन स्क्वायर नंबर्स आए? n is equal to 1 लो, n is equal to 1, therefore n plus 1 is equal to 2. It means 1 square और 2 square के between 2n, it means 2 into 1, 2 numbers आए. Similarly, n is equal to 2, then n plus 1 is equal to 3. So in between 2 square and 3 square, 2n, it means 2 into 2, 4 non-square numbers. And in same way, students, n is equal to 3, then n plus 1 is equal to 4. It means in between 3 square and 4 square, 2n, 2 into 3, 6 non-square numbers. So this is the formula, students. What is the formula? In general, we say that square are 2n non-perfect square numbers. So next, students. So numbers between 2 perfect square numbers is equal to 2n. Next, if the number is square number, it has between the successive odd number starting from 1. Students, next property. Students, next property. If the number is square number, if the number is square number, number is square number, it has to be the sum, it has to be the sum, it has to be the sum of successive odd numbers, successive odd numbers starting from 1, starting from 1. For example, 1. 1 is the sum of the first odd number starting from 1. So this is the square numbers. 4 is also equal to starting from 1 plus 3. So square numbers. Then 9 is also equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5. So this number is also sum of the successive odd number starting from 1 plus 3 plus 5. So square number. Similarly 16 is also sum of the successive odd number starting from 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 3 4 5 9 7 16. So this is also square number. Next 25 student. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to square number. So any square number expressed in sum of successive odd number starting from 1, like that, students. So students, we can also say that if natural number cannot be expressed as a sum of successive odd numbers starting with 1, then it is not a perfect square. So how to decide the numbers are perfect square or not? If the number is sum of the successive odd number starting from 1, so perfect square, otherwise not. So next, students, product of the two consecutive even or odd numbers. Product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. So students, like that 11 into 13 is given. This is the consecutive odd number, students. So 11 can be written, students. 11 can be written in form of 12 minus 1, and 13 is also written 12 plus 1. It means a minus 1 and a plus 1 is equal to a square minus 1 is equal to 12 square minus 1. 144 minus 1 is equal to 143. Another example, students. 13 into 15 is equal to, in place of 13, students, 12. In place of 13, 14 minus 1. In between 13 and 15, 14. So we will take 14. This number is less than 1 and this is greater than 1 of the 14. So in place of 13, put 14 minus 1, and place of 15, put 14 plus 1. This is equal to 14 square minus 1. It means 196 minus 1 is equal to 195. So find the product in this method if two consecutive even or odd numbers are given, students. So some patterns are also given, students, in square numbers. For example, 1 square is equal to 1. 11 square is equal to 1 to 1. 111 square is equal to 1 2 3 to 1. Next, students, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So this type of number is follow one special type of pattern, students. Next, student, what is a Pythagorean triplets? So students, you all studied in earlier classes. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. It means 3 square plus 4 square is equal to student 5 square. Therefore 3, 4 and 5 is known as Pythagorean triplets. Known as Pythagorean triplets. So this is the Pythagorean triplets, students. But 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplets. Next, student, 6, 8 and 10 is also Pythagorean triplets. And 12, 5 and 13 is also Pythagorean triplets. Why, student? Because 6 square plus 8 square, 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. It means 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. Therefore 6, 8 and 10. 6, 8 and 10 Pythagorean triplets. तो स्टूडेंट्स पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स के अगर कोई एक नंबर गिवन हो, 3 and 4 गिवन था तो हम 5 इजिली फाइंड कर लिए, 6, 8 गिवन हो तो 10 फाइंड हो जाता है, 12, 5 गिवन हो तो 13 फाइंड हो जाता है। मीन्स कि कोई दो नंबर्स गिवन हो तो एक इजिली फाइंड हो जाता है। बट स्टूडेंट्स ओनली वन नंबर्स गिवन हो तो उसको हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? उसके लिए हम एक फार्मूले को फॉलो करते हैं, उसके बेस पर हम फाइंड कर लेते हैं पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स स्टूडेंट्स। सो स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर एनी नेचुरल नंबर, m greater than 1, Pythagorean triplets Pythagorean triplets is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. This is the formula, students. How to find the Pythagorean triplets? Use this formula. 2m is a one member, m square minus 1 is also second member, and m square plus 1 is the third member, students. So we take one example, Pythagorean triplets. So Pythagorean triplets, students, find Pythagorean triplets if smallest number is 8, students. So this is the smallest number and this is the largest number, students. So first number is 2m, second number is m square minus 1, and third one is m square plus 1. So smallest number is given, students. It means 2m is equal to 8. Therefore m is equal to 8 by 2, 4. So first element is given. Next one, students, m square minus 1. So 4 square minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15, and m square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. So Pythagorean triplets, students, Pythagorean triplets are 8, 15 and 17. So this is the Pythagorean ट्रिपलेट्स। तो स्टूडेंट्स पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स को कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? अगर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर गिवन हो तो 2m इज इक्वल टू जो नंबर गिवन हो उसको सपोज कर लेते हैं, m की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेते हैं, देन m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 फाइंड कर लेते हैं एंड m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 फाइंड कर लेते हैं। ये तीनों नंबर्स होते हैं पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स स्टूडेंट। नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट फाइंड स्क्वायर ऑफ नंबर विदाउट एक्चुअल मल्टीप्लिकेशन। फाइंडिंग square of numbers, finding square of number without actual multiplication। स्टूडेंट्स, बिना मल्टीप्लाई किए हम कैसे फाइंड कर लेते हैं स्क्वायर नंबर्स। 25 square students, 25 square, it means this number is 2, this is the 2, then multiply 2 and more than 1, 300 plus 5 का square 25, so this equal to 600 plus 25 is equal to 625, and in same way 75 students, so 7 into 800 plus 25 का 5 का स्क्वायर 25, तो 5625। इन सेम वे स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमें 85 का स्क्वायर फाइंड करना होगा, देन 8 into 9 72 and 5 का स्क्वायर 25। देन स्टूडेंट, अगर हमें कोई भी नंबर का स्क्वायर फाइंड करना हो जिसके यूनिट प्लेस पर 5 हो स्टूडेंट, यूनिट प्लेस पर 5, फॉर एग्जांपल 65, सो 6 into more than 1 7 42 and 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 4225, एंड यूनिट प्लेस पर 5 नहीं हो तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स। फॉर एग्जांपल 23 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 20 प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर, सो यूज द फार्मूला a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर। सो स्टूडेंट्स, 23 square is equal to a 20 square plus 2 into 20 into 3 plus 3 square, so 20 square student 400, 23 is 60 into 2 120 plus 9, so 529। so students, any number are given, any one number are given, for example 28 square, it means 20 plus 8 whole square, it means 20 square plus 2 into 20 into 8 plus 8 square is equal to 400 plus 320 plus 64, so this equal to 784 स्टूडेंट्स, 784। तो इस टेक्निक से हम स्क्वायर फाइंड कर लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। सो आई होप कि आप लोगों को अच्छे से समझ आया होगा अभी तक।